Hello there everyone, I really hope that you are doing well. So today, basically I am massively contradicting myself because I have very recently uploaded a wardrobe decluttering video. I'm about to throw that all down the shitter because I'm going to be doing a haul of clothes from multiple shops that I bought on payday and couldn't control myself. Yay! Hopefully quite a few things are going to be like going back, so you're going to be helping me decide what goes back, what I keep, what looks banging and what looks like horse poop. We are going to do a lot of like shop hopping today. There's going to be a lot going on. Just try to ignore Daisy, but if you enjoy her, here she is in all her glory. Yeah, we've got 2 online shops, we've got a few in-person purchases, some really random ones, but I just feel like sharing them. So what I'm gonna kick off with is what I bought today, because I went on a nice little shop with my mum, which was lovely, and we went into shops. Well, one shop in particular that I never go in without my mum. In fact, I don't think I've been in there in years, like legit years. We went into M&S today and I was very pleasantly surprised. I must say, they do a really amazing size range. They do quite affordable stuff. Some of the quality I might question, but what I was really taken by was the 70% off sale on shoes. Wow, they do some lovely shoes, like really lovely. We were mainly looking for my mum. She has really awkward feet and she's a really awkward human in general. Any shoes she buys is like a massive plus. So there are 2 pairs of shoes. I got myself a pair and my mum got herself a pair. And they are just the greatest. I'm really impressed. So I'll show you my mum's first actually. Daisy, if you get on that tripod, I will kill you. These are the ones that my mum got. So they look like this. They've got a really low block heel and a rounded toe. Nice and comfortable, but still very much on trend. The check is gorgeous. It's actually lovely, and they're black and white, nice and versatile. If you were to guess how much these are, I'm just gonna give you a second to guess. These were £8. What? I know. They were £7.99 actually, which is even better. They are fabulous. And then I couldn't be left out, you see, so I found these. Can you see? Yeah. Oh, they need a clean because their fingerprint game is strong. But they are these chunky block gold heel, leopard print, nice thick strap, which I can't handle the thin straps. It's more comfortable and they have a lovely cushion on them and I just adore them. Now these were £13. I know, unbelievable prices in there. So I think the sale, I mean it's still January, but they'll be coming to an end, so get yourself there. It was incredible. I was really pleasantly surprised. I want to wear them now. Like, I love these. So yes, I got those. I got a Valentine's card from Poundland. Tom, if you're watching, I mean it, look away, because I think this card is hilarious. I don't know why. So this is the Valentine's card that I've got you. Don't you dare keep watching. It says, "And you say I never show you any romantic gestures." Funny, anyway. Is it just funny to me? Probably. Get down to Poundland because they've got some cracking cards. Honestly, winning. While I was in Poundland, I did a Mrs. Hinch inspired haul. Here was my Instagram story. This is what I got. It's obviously all in the cleaning cupboard now, but just can't go wrong with a bit of Mrs. Hinch. I love that woman. I hope you do too. TK Maxx. Hello. I got this hot soybean paste for £1.50. It's a really hefty jar, 340 grams, very specific. If you're unaware, I am the ramen queen, so I know that in a lot of recipes they use this. It's all Chinese writing, so it's quite like I'm gonna say it's authentic. Who knows? But yeah, I picked this up. I am wanting to do a ramen video because I want to, and because it's actually been requested. Then I'm doing it. Just give me time and I will do it. That will be coming in the near future, and we might be featuring this. We'll see. It might taste like shit. That is what I've got from TK Maxx. On to a bit of fashion. This, oh, I've been in love with this for ages, but I held off and I waited for the sale, and this came down to £19, down from 40. It doesn't hurt to wait. Now this is from Kin, which is a John Lewis own brand, and it is incredible. I love this bag so much. It's a crossbody, my favourite kind, but it's actually got a really good amount of storage. There's a receipt. Do you not just, whenever I go in one of my bags, like every single one has a random receipt in it? It's how I live my life. I have been like obsessing over this green at the moment. I have a belt, I have a dress, I have trousers, and now I have a bag. I could make an entire outfit, and sometimes I do. I would really recommend Kim bags actually, for like affordable but really good quality. Love this so much. We're then moving on to my more expensive sales purchase. Oh no. It was gonna happen. I had my eye on about 7 different coats that had gone in the sale. It was just weighing up my options of which one I liked the best, which one went down the most. Bad. But anyway, this is the one I ended up going for. So this is a John Lewis and Partners own brand coat. They call it a double-breasted Crombie grey check coat. Daisy. I got mine in a size 8. Now normally I size up in coats, but this one's quite oversized anyway, just so you know. It was originally £249. I got it for 75. Yeah. Do you know when you just feel proper like accomplished? It's a really like long line. This is the longest coat I own, but it has those gorgeous splits in them, and it is just incredible. The split makes it not feel quite as like bulky, and especially because I'm very petite, not petite, I'm petite. It's not like as long, just like print, and I look about that big, if that makes sense. It really like breaks it up, and oh, I adore it so much. If there's still some in stock, I will put the link down below, but if not, I know there's some in stock in John Lewis Newcastle, but go to the nearest John Lewis near you, because last time I checked, I'm pretty sure it's either low in stock online or out of stock online. Go while you can, because I love it. That is my big purchase. Now, while I was in Primark the other day, I picked up just a grey hoodie, and my vision was like, yep, this really does it justice, but you know, the like formal coat with the hoodie under to like casual it up. That was my vision. So far, I've just worn it to bed. Not to sleep, but you know, that midpoint between like work and bed. I've just been wearing this because it's gorgeously soft, and it was only £10, so you can't go wrong, you really can't. While I was in Primark, I also got these. They are just a simple hoop with a bit of like tortoise shell. Do you want to focus on them? It's up to you, camera. Please just focus on my plant. That's what I wanted. That's what I really wanted. And they were £1, down from 2. So yeah, I also got them. So we're gonna start off with ASOS. So don't be too alarmed. All I got was a pair of shoes and 2 trousers. Don't be alarmed, it's not that much. Just covers my whole bed. I am gonna take some things back, just so you know. I say this and I've got like 2 pairs in one haul, but I really do not have that many heels. And when I go on nights out, like, I freak out because I'm like, I have no heels. Brilliant. What I've done is bought these. Again, was gonna buy them full price for £42. They went down to £19.50. Be patient, I tell you. I think they're really cool, stylish, but also comfortable. My night out gets significantly better if I'm wearing some comfortable shoes. So she just like is so inconsiderate. The dream is that they're chunky and they've got a really Daisy, man. They are just a dream, so I got those. Fabulous. And then she's just trying to make as much noise as possible. It's amazing. I also got 2 pairs of black straight leg jeans. Now I'm wearing these right now. My trusty Topshop jeans, which I love with all my heart and soul, but I only have 1 pair of like this kind of like straight leg jeans, and it just doesn't really make sense because they're basically the one style that I like to wear now in denim, so it makes sense for me to try and upgrade my collection. And especially since I've done the wardrobe declutter, link in my bio, or it's on my channel. Just don't be so lazy, go and find it yourself. Once you do like a declutter like that, you realise what you really enjoy wearing and also what you're missing from your wardrobe. So that is what I kind of found out that I was missing, and I did something about it. So first pair I got are from Monkey. They are the mid-waist, but it said they were high because I want high. So ASOS said high, Monkey said mid-waist. I was like, I'm gonna believe you, ASOS. I hope you're right. We'll see. Let's have a look. They look lovely. Oh, please be nice. Please be nice. I got these in a 26 waist because that's what these are. But I just don't trust sizes like at all. So let's see. I don't know what they're going to be like. I am not a fan of these at all. First of all, ASOS, you said they'd be high-waisted. Why can I see my belly button? And I have this problem a lot where they're tight on my thighs but loose on the calf, which makes them look like bootleg. Yeah, boot cut. Boot cut. Which, no, okay, not about that. So the Monkeys are a big fat fail. I also got the Pretty Little Thing straight leg jeans in black. These were significantly cheaper, so I hope they are to die for and I can send the Monkey ones back. We'll see, we'll see. It's amazing actually, I can proper feel that they're cheaper. Isn't that weird? I can really feel the difference in them. Okay, instantly I am not blown away by them. God damn it. But I'll try them on and show you anyway. This black jean attempt was also a fail. Fails all around. Don't you just love it when your jeans look like that? Being completely honest, these don't feel like the best quality anyway. I don't know if I would recommend these as like a good long wearing pair of jeans. They feel very thin. Can I just say though, the ASOS fit helping guide, if you take the quiz, it like recommends you sizes. They recommended me get the size above the ones I bought, and this is what I've got to deal with. So I don't know how reliable that is, just for future, but no, these are a no. Next, Missguided. I can never resist Missguided. I don't know what it is about them. They do really good prices. So first of all, I just got a black belt. I have one of these in that bottle green that I told you about. I just need loads more belts, so yeah, happy I got that. I also got this cropped sweatshirt. Okay, I got just, it's like black cropped. I think I was maybe thinking under this. Oh no, with the joggers I got. Okay. Oh, it smells bad. Oh, what are you made of? Polyester and cotton. Huh, okay, well, you stink. Try that on too. And then, okay, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try and screenshot a clip where she's wearing them. But I was watching an Alana Davison vlog and she was wearing these really cool 70s brown joggers and I just like fell in love. I was like, I really need cool looking chill clothes. So I went on a hunt, like I could not get them out of my mind, and the best ones I could find were on Missguided. I don't know if they're right. They had like the perfect ones that were like in petite and everything, but they were out of stock. So I'm trying these and then I might have to give them back. But these are like in a fleece material, which already I don't think is gonna work. No, I don't think I like them. Oh god, Daisy likes the look of them. Get off. They are joggers. I don't know. Do I like them? They're very soft, mind. Oh no. What size are you? An 8. We'll have to see. I want them to be like high-waisted, but we'll have to try those on, I think, and sort of see what they look like. These bad boys are what I'm gonna need help with. This was the vision when I bought both of these things. I love them and they are so thick and cozy. I hope you can sort of tell that material. It is literally like a blanket, a really thick blanket. But am I always gonna want that in my joggers? Like, I feel like I would not be able to wear these past like March, otherwise I would die. But I also love them. Would you keep these if you paid like £20 for them? I would really appreciate your help with these. I really don't know what to do. What do you think? Yes or no? Yes or no? I don't know. Oh my god. Yes! How do the cool people do it? I can't be bothered to do the straps, but is this a look? Is this a look? Oh no. Oh no. Still want your thoughts. Still want your thoughts. So that is those. Hello. Excuse you. Excuse you. I'm gonna end this video here, so I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know, what do you love, what do you hate? Links to everything will be down in the description. If you like anything, feel free to give it a go. That is it from me. Don't buy as much as me. It's really annoying to send things back. Have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Rude. Bye. Please come again. Please come again. Oh my god. Bye.